So for today's video, pupunta po kami ng Global Village. So outfit check. Mga tayo guys. Yan. So ngayon guys, pupunta muna kami doon sa baba, sa Al-Wazir. Kasi marami din silang mga mga events. Yes. And then after, pupunta kami sa Global Village. Yes! So see you there, Global Village! Hey guys! Kitty Pie busy her camera. Busy siya sa camera niya. Hello! Wait, oh! Guys, Kitty Pie is mamus. Sushi. This is sushi. Yeah, this is mango. Oh my God, ang lighting. Oh my God, ang ganda. See? Ang ganda ng lights. Hello. So this is the Abra station. Yeah. See? So they will turn you guys for 1 hour and you pay 50 dirham. 50 dirham, right, Kitty Pie? Miracle Garden. Mini. Ang cute. See the flowers?
Oh, ito din yung flowers.
Ay, bago to, Jom. Ngayon lang yata to. Yeah, this year, this one, Kitty Pie. Last year, they don't have this one. That is new one. See?
Parang maana, kami sa ulo.
Walang pahulo.
Parang sa Japanese.
Pahulo daw. Yeah, that's... You like that one? No, I'm too much face off. Last 2 years ago, right? Pero wala yan. See? Parang Miracle Garden. But actually, tomorrow pupunta din kami sa Miracle Garden. So, I'm not interested to take picture here. Yeah? Kasi bukas, nasa Miracle din kami. Wala, Bibi. Oh, look at the show, Bibi. The Palace of Kitty Pie. Yeah. Proud Indian here. That's so huge daw, the India. India, hello, we are here. Ang Pilipinas. See guys, the China. Ang ganda. See the India, the Iran. Ang ganda guys. Ang daming pagbabago dito sa Global Village. Yes. Yes, ito dati wala itong mga flowers eh. See, the Lebanese cuisine. Ang dami na nilang mga foods ngayon. Yeah. Food section. Pala silang mga sakyan. I hear it's nice, Jom. Japan. Russia, Thailand. Daming tao talaga, oh. Diyos ko. See? This is the exit here. Ay, ang daming tao. Meet you guys. Mag-check out na po kami dito. And then, pupunta kami sa Miracle Garden. After 7 years, Kitty Pie will go back there. But for me, I think only 5 years. Right, John? See you. That's it for today. See you, Miracle Garden. Miracle Garden. So we are here in the grounds. Ang daming changes. Hi, Kitty Pie. So guys, this is the main entrance. So we can see here. And when you come inside, so this is the one you can see. It's so nice. Hello, Kitty Pie. So much changing in Miracle Garden, right? That's why guys, it's also too much costly. In here 5 years ago, The entrance for her is only 55 dirham. And now is already 80 dirham. So grabe ang changes pala. Ang daming pagbabago. Yes, parang lahat na siya mga flowers. So guys, this is a fresh flowers, okay? So of course, mahal ang maintenance nito. Mahal talaga kasi very fresh to siya lahat. Yeah. See guys, ito bago dito, no? So hindi pa nila paakyatan dito guys. Siguro wala sila. So ito yung elephant. This is also a new one. Imagine also 5 years ago bago kami nakabalik. Pero si Cutie Pie, 7 years ago bago pa nakabalik. Yan. Cutie Pie is 7 years ago. This is the elephant. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga flowers. After magbit-bit na siya kagabi. Nothing will be. Grabe, ang ganda guys. As in. So look at this one. So in the app, they have coffee shop here in the app. And you can see all the surroundings here for the fresh flower. Yeah. So look at guys, it's a clock. Grabe ang laki dito. So mayroon doon guys, Emirates. Yeah, pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, may vlog na ako dito eh. Isa pa lang. Pero pangatlo ko na itong balik dito. Kasi yung pumunta kami ni Cutie Pie dito first, hindi pa ako vlogger that time. Wow, sana all hindi pa vlogger. So in the second time, we collab with her, my friends from Dubai also, si Batang Marama and si Fodilin. But now, hindi na sila nag-a-active sa YouTube. Yeah. So, si Jom din ang tour guide namin dati dito. Yeah, see? See guys, the Mickey Mouse is still there. We have the shoe, right? Remember that one?
Oh, hindi na tatanggalin mo.
Ay, hindi pala tatanggal. Kasi guys, ang dami din nila ditong food cart sa loob. Yeah. And the good thing guys, pwede kayo dito magdala ng luggage. Katulad ngayon, gabing kami what's this? Check out sa Rose Hotel, dala-dala na namin yung mga gamit namin. So, mayroon silang free doon na locker room. Ilagay mo doon, tapos it's only free. See? That's the good thing. So, yung mga tourists, pwede na dito magdala ng mga gamit. Yeah. Actually, guys, ang nandito lahat is mga tourists ang nandito. Yeah, kasi mga nandito lang din kasi sabihin lang, ay next year na lang kasi mayroon open pa naman din. Yeah, lalo na ngayon guys, medyo mahal na talaga. Yes, it's 80 dirham per head. See? Yeah, hi, Cutie Pie. I'm doing vlog. This is Marites for my life. She is Marites of my life. Yeah. I will go Philippine Emirates without any ticket. Yeah, I can fly as long as I want. Naglibog ka sa cameraman. Wait. Are you okay? Nagutom kami. Order kami ng pizza. Ayan, nagutom. We are waiting for our flight. See you Philippines in my dream. Guys, this is the front of Emirates plane. Yeah. Hindi talaga to siya nag-change guys since before. Still the same. Ang daming pagbabago pero hindi talaga. Yeah. Ito talaga ang ano nila dito palagi nandito. But all of this, they will change every year. So maano lang to talaga guys kasi sa winter. Kasi di ba alam niyo naman ang UAE very mainit. Yes, very hot here. So, kailangan na sa winter lang talaga to. Pag summer, hindi talaga to mabubuhay ang mga flowers. O, di ba, busy ang aking photographer? While my photographer is busy, I charge this 2,000 dirham, guys. 2,000 dirham. This one also, guys, is all new one. Especially this one. Oh my God, look at that. See the colorful elephant from Caroline. Oh my God. This is a cake design. Ang ganda. See, look at that. Ati the verb. Super nice. Super nice. See, look at the nails. God. See, mamaya guys, maganda na to pag may mga lights na. Yes. It's too much amazing. See, busy ka is He like that one. Magdala talaga yun siya ng camera pag nandito ko. Welcome here guys. The Smart Village. See? Yeah! O, diba? It's so amazing inside guys. Grabe. Ha? Ay, ang cute. How I wish I have a garden like this now. It's a miracle garden at Bayan Studio. Diba? Say hi! Uy! Uy! Oh my God! Yeah. See my face daw. If I win a lotto, it's not like that. How I use my money. Oh my God! See, this is my face if I have money too much. Yeah.
Pwede lipat nila.
Ah.
Dati ba yun?
Guys. O, diba? Grabe, ang ganda dyan. See? It's too much, guys.
Ano ba kumaga, no?
Yeah, it's nice, baby, if like this than the night. The night, I don't like too much. I can see anything. This one is better. So, it's my first time, guys, na pumunta kami dito ng maaga. Kasi dati, nag-butterfly garden pa kami dito. Actually, malapit lang din butterfly garden dito. Kaya pagdating namin dito, ano na talaga siya, gabi. Ngayon, maganda pala talaga pag ganitong oras. Kasi makikita mo talagang lahat ng mga design at yung mga flowers. So amazing. See? Yan mga bago dito eh. See? The sunflower. Grabe, ang ganda. This is the stage. So sometimes mayroon daw diyang mga magpe-perform. Yes.
Nag-invite ata ng mga 6 or 7.
So we are here na guys in the up. The finale. See? Ito guys, hindi dito talaga mababago. Every time, this is the one na. Pero pwede lang nila lalagyan ng mga iba-iba. Ano, flowers or design. The end of our miracle garden, guys. So, babalik na kami sa Abu Dhabi. Super nice one. What? Thank you, everyone. See you in our next vlog.